Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a template on Canva. This is a super useful skill that lets you build custom reusable designs for all kinds of projects, whether it's social media, graphics, presentations, or other creative work. First, open Canva in your browser. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It only takes a moment and it allows you to save your work and access all of Canva's features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. At the top, there's a search bar. Type in the word template, and Canva will show you a wide selection of professionally designed layouts to choose from. Take a little time to browse through the gallery. There are templates for flyers, invitations, business cards, presentations, and so much more. When you find one that fits your project, click on it to see a larger preview and details. Next, click the button that says Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where you can start making changes. Inside the editor, you can edit just about everything. Replace the placeholder text with your own words, adjust fonts to match your style, and tweak the colors so they align with your brand identity. You can also add elements like graphics, photos, and illustrations from Canva's library to give your design a unique look. When you're happy with your edits, use the preview feature to see how your design will appear in real settings. If you spot anything that needs adjusting, just jump back into the editor and refine it. Canva usually saves your work automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check and save manually, especially after making big changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom template in Canva. Now you've got a design you can reuse, adapt, or share whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.